In this video, we will demonstrate the process of removing and refitting a gas strut on your Stabil Pro Series treatment couch. With an assistant holding the top section in the upright position, gently remove the lower pivot bolt with two 17mm spanners. Rotate the strut clockwise to unthread it from the upper pivot. Before fitting the new gas strut, ensure the lower cap is tight on the strut. If the gas strut has become extended during transport, please follow the next steps to compress and lock it. Ready for fitting. To refit, thread the first gas strut into the upper pivot, keeping the gas strut parallel to the backrest. Thread in until the pin is 0.5 mm from the release handle stop. Now lower the backrest until the holes line up in the bottom clevis. Taking care to ensure that the gap from the pin to the release handle stop is the same for both struts. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Replace bolt covers. Check the release mechanism to ensure it locks securely in place when handle is released.